a superhero ice cream. I did call it superhero.
You call it superhero? It's got all sort of food.
Silly.
Like this. Look at Daddy.
You like it?
I think yes. You gonna share with Daddy?
Share it to Daddy. It's melting na rin.
You wanna share with Daddy?
Give it to Daddy. Give it to
Jake,
Daddy.
can I try? Can I try? Yummy.
Oh, so like on the
He just
middle
touches.
there.
He just touches
On
his
the
tongue
tip.
to it. Your hand up there, like that. Yeah, there you go. Much better. Two hands, yeah. He's just
Sige
like,
na yun.
he
Kamay
just,
niya.
he just wants the tip. He just goes like this. Just touches it. Just touch your tongue to it.
Say hi.
You don't even lick. There you go. That's a good lick. Let me see your chin. Oh, big boy. Yeah.
It's probably gonna drop it.
He's figuring it out. He's gonna go share.
Jaden.
Jaden, hang on to it better. You're gonna drop it. Come here.
Hold it.
Come here. You're gonna drop it here. Put your hand out like this. Up way up high. Way up high, like that. Grab on. Nice. Yep. No, up high. It's gonna break off. You're only holding the very little tip. Here. Hold it up here like this. Look. Yum. Here. Hold it up higher like that. Okay, so you don't drop it. Two hands. Ugh. Like this. There. You don't want to drop it. Don't hang on just the tip. You're gonna drop it. You're gonna drop it. It's gonna break off. You're gonna be upset when it falls. You're gonna be upset. You're gonna be upset when you drop it. Oh my goodness. Get dirty. You wanna try this one?